Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will be talking about the call to action custom watch face for MSV GTS to many. So this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I will be bringing more videos like this. So in some of the other videos from other YouTubers, I was seeing that there is no option to install third-party custom watch faces for MSV GTS 2 Mini. This is actually not correct, and you can get a lot of custom watch faces for MSV GTS 2 Mini. Not only a lot of, I mean 200 plus custom watch faces you can install in your MSV GTS 2 Mini. So if you want to know about the tips and tricks of this watch, you can follow my channel and you can subscribe to my channel and watch some of the other videos. Now let's start in this video. What are the call to action watch faces? So this custom watch face is really good looking. At the same time, you can do actions by tapping on the watch face. So if you look to this watch face closely, you will see there is a second option which is showing me the second of the watch, and there is something like AM PM option. There are steps, there is distance, there is a charge option, and also there is a heart rate option, and there is how many degree temperature. This is also showing in this watch face. This is absolutely great. So what I mean by call to action means if you tap on the watch face, you will be able to perform some specific actions. Like if you tap on the time, then you can see, then you can go to the countdown. You don't need to go to the menu and start a countdown. You can just click on the time and start a countdown. It will be a quick countdown. So if I want to start a 1 minute countdown, I just click on 1 and it just starts the countdown then and there, which is really great. So this type of countdown you can start from the watch itself, which is a call to action option for the watch and the watch face. And also you can go to workout modes if you click on distance or kilometers, which is really great because you will be accessing the workout modes if you are using this watch a lot and you don't want to go to the menu and select workout modes for each and every time. You just want to select it as soon as possible. So you just need to click on the distance and kilometer, and workout mode will be showing, and you just need to click on go. That's it, the workout mode will be started. And again there are steps, so if you click on steps, the same thing will happen. And there is also a battery percentage which only displays. Let's see what else it offers. So there are no other options, it seems. The options are only for the timer and also the workout modes. So there are two variations of this watch face. One is this blue version, another is this red version. You can download it from the Notify app. So if you install the red version, it will be same, only the Amazfit logo will come here, and in the blue version you will get this logo of, I guess this is the logo of Petronas something. So only the logo will be changed, but absolutely the same watch face you will get if you install the red version also. So if you want to install these watch faces, you need to download the Notify app from the Play Store. Go to the watch face option and download them one by one. Lot of watch faces are there. Just click on install and it will start downloading like this. It will download on the watch, and you can see the watch face is transmitting right now. So it will take some time because custom watch faces take some time to install, because there are a lot of things that the custom watch face displays, and a lot of more MB will be there to transfer to the watch. And you can see the red one also looks good. You can do the same timer, so it also looks good in the watch, and it also changes the look and feel of the watch if you want to install the custom watch faces. So if you go to the Notify app, you can see there are a lot of custom watch faces, and install them one by one according to your choice, whichever you want. And call to action watch faces are really good to install, and there are a few watch face here which supports its call to action watch faces. Especially this one supports the call to action option. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.